State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Buenos días, este es el estado de Michigan. En la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins entra en sesión. Mientras la corte esté en sesión, por favor, asegúrese de que su audio esté funcionando y su micrófono esté en silencio. Y hasta que su caso sea llamado, esté apropiadamente vestido en esta corte. No debe estar manejando, hablando, comiendo, bebiendo ni fumando. Por favor, renueva, quítese cualquier tipo de sombrero, a menos que sea por razones religiosas, culturales o médicas. Gracias. Buenos días a todos.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Okay. Today is Community Court Day. My name is Judge Sean B. Perkins, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to do it in the order that you came in.
Buenos días, mi nombre es el juez Sean B. Perkins. Yo voy a estar aquí para ustedes en el día de hoy, que es la Corte de Servicio Comunitario. Yo voy a asegurarme de atenderlos lo antes posible para que se desocupan y puedan salir, y los voy a estar llamando en el orden en que se han registrado.
Typically, I only handle the last names G, L, or O, but on Wednesdays, we do community court, and I handle any ticket that comes out of the 4th precinct.
Normalmente yo solamente manejo aquellos casos cuyos apellidos terminen en G, en L o en O, pero hoy es el día de la corte comunitaria y recibo todos los tickets de que vienen del precinto número 4, independientemente del apellido. Pero esta es la corte de servicio comunitario. Aquí se paga con horas de servicio comunitario.
Today is like a pretrial diversion court where there will be no fines and costs. There'll only be community service.
El día de hoy es como una versión de una consulta previa al juicio usual, donde no se van a pagar ni costos ni multas. Se van a pagar con horas de servicio comunitario.
So if you're not willing to do community service to settle the matter, then you need to raise your hand in the Zoom so I can get you to your alphabet judge.
Entonces, usted en el día de hoy aquí y su apellido no termina ni en G, ni en L, ni en O, y no quiere pagar con horas de servicio comunitaria, por favor levante su mano en el chat para entonces yo poder decirle cuál es su juez que le toca alfabéticamente y entonces mandarlo para allá.
If you have the last name that starts with G, L, or O, you're going to stay with me anyway.
Pero si quiera usted o no pagar con un servicio comunitario, si su apellido termina en G, en L o en O, usted se tiene que quedar aquí porque este es el juez que le corresponde.
Everyone will still have an opportunity to speak with a defense lawyer.
De todos modos, todo el mundo va a tener la oportunidad de hablar con un muy buen abogado antes de que su caso sea llamado.
And you'll still have an opportunity to pre-try the case to see if the lawyer can get you the better offer than was already, the city is already in the file.
Y de esa forma, el abogado va a trabajar con usted del formato de consulta previa al juicio, a ver si su abogado le puede conseguir con la fiscalía un buen trato, un buen acuerdo.
The community service is done in partnership with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Las horas de servicio comunitario se hacen conjuntamente con el centro que se llama Centro de Justicia Comunitaria. Es a través de ellos que ustedes van a arreglar cómo, cuándo y dónde van a hacer esos servicios comunitarios si así desean hacerlo.
And typically the community service is done in Southwest Detroit.
Típicamente las horas de servicio comunitario se cumplen en el suroeste de Detroit.
If you have an issue with getting to Southwest Detroit to do the community service, we can get you some community service in your area.
Si usted tiene algún inconveniente en llegar a hacer sus horas de servicio comunitario en el suroeste de Detroit, nosotros podemos ponerlos en contacto con un lugar donde las puedan hacer cerca de donde ustedes la necesiten hacer.
With that being said, Ms. Hernandez, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Dicho esto, señor Hernández, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acto y sus calificaciones. Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, Spanish English, qualified Spanish interpreter, CAO.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. With that, we're going to start the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. This city of Detroit versus Luis Angel Valero Gonzalez. Case number SP 157-707-31. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he at?
He is on 845, I believe.
Okay, I see him. Thank you. Vamos a comenzar entonces con el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Ángel Valero González. Número de caso SP 157-70-731.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado señor González. Por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Luis Valero González.
Luis
Ángel Valero González.
Luis Ángel Valero González.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
We are not guilty of your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad y voy a establecer una fianza de $0 en el nombre del señor González.
At this time, we're going to dismiss the case because Mr. Gonzalez has paid 2 related civil infractions.
Y para este momento vamos a desestimar los casos porque ya el señor González ha pagado 2 infracciones civiles con relación al mismo. Entonces el caso queda desestimado.
Nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez. Have a very good day. If you want some paperwork, we'll get you some paperwork.
Señor González, Valero González, eso es todo por ahora. Ya está su caso listo. Tiene que estar emitiendo algún papeleo para usted.
All right. Have a good day.
Que tenga buen día, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Raul Adrian Galacia. Case number SP 1600717. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where he's at? Sorry.
First one,
It's
8:30.
me.
8:30.
It's me.
You need an interpreter? Yes.
Yes.
Señor, necesito intérprete. Sí, I cannot find him, Your Honor. 8:30?
First one, top of 8:30.
I don't see him either.
Okay, I see him. I saw him. Está bien, este es el caso, thank you, Your Honor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Raúl Adrián Galicia. Número de caso SP 16007171. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Señor.
Sí, todo está igual.
Yes, everything is okay. It's the same.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Chair Rebecca Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Galicia.
Buenos días, su señoría. Buenos días a todo su personal. Charrica Harris, número 72832, representando al señor Galicia.
Purpose of arraignment, counselor?
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, abogada, ¿cómo desea proceder?
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente permanecerá en silencio.
Defendant not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond.
Yo entonces voy a introducir en nombre de su representado una declaración de no culpabilidad y voy a imponer una multa de $0.
Offer, in this case, is going to be pleading as charged, 12-month delayed sentence and 40 hours of community service along with a gun safety course.
Do you want me to say that here or in the break room, Your Honor?
Or you can say it in the breakout room. Your client has an absolute right to a trial.
He's not on the docket that I have, so I don't know what he's charged with.
He's charged with firearms ordinance, discharging the firearm. There's no notes. There's no notes on here, just discharging the firearm. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, speak to Ms. Harris. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Do you want me to go to the break room now or once Ms. Harris has talked to Ms. Chico?
No, you go ahead now.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Daniel, let's pass that matter. Terry M. Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Terry M. Daniel, case number SP 127-52121, SP 159-1008, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 159-70131, SP 159-70151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Daniel.
Terry M. Daniel.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer in the file, as it's written by the city attorney, thought I had those pulled up, would be allowing for the driving license suspended, no offer on the left turn. So that no improper left turn is going to be 2 points. And then the other matters will be dismissed. That will be a total of 18 hours of community service, 12 which will be mandatory, 6 of fines and costs for the improper left turn. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. And then if he wants to clear this other no-op stuff, it's 240. That was done by another judge, so I'm going to leave that the way it is. If he can go back to the other judge and find out if they'll allow him to do community service with that. All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Daniel, Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Is there Hugo Leon here? Is Carlos Daniel Lopez here? Is Mario Marin Oporta here? Who's on the phone at 313-240-1518? 313-240-1518. Good morning to you. Who's that? Wednesday, I took the whole week. Wednesday to Wednesday.
Got a gentleman from the Detroit Detention Center calling me this person. Yeah, 4 reports. I guess the judge was told to call here.
So this map is still on. Yeah, I'm trying that maybe have the ability to do that.
The form, I don't have the form. Usually I'll just,
Yeah, you can zoom that out. I'll put the one. We're waiting on a lawyer, so everyone.
Yeah. Wait.
From there, was I there?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Galacia. I see that you want an appointed attorney, is that correct, in a trial date?
Señor, vamos a volver en el récord el caso del señor Galicia. Señor Galicia, veo que usted quiere que se le asigne un abogado para todo su caso y quiere ir a juicio. ¿Es eso correcto?
Sí.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, I have set a trial date for October the 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
October 29th, 2024, 9 a.m.
Yes.
Ok, thank you. Señor Galicia, el día para su juicio va a ser el 29 de octubre del 2024 a las 9 de la mañana.
I have the file. Mark, need an appointed attorney. I have your contact information listed. Also need a Spanish interpreter.
Tengo aquí anotado que entonces usted va a tener un abogado asignado por la corte y que necesita un intérprete de español.
What I need you to do, sir, is I need you to answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Señor, yo lo que le voy a pedir es que por favor usted atienda a cualquier llamada que usted no reconozca, porque una de esas llamadas puede ser su abogado que lo está llamando para contactarse con usted y presentarse.
Ok.
Ok.
If you don't hear from that appointed attorney within the next 2 weeks, I need you to zoom back in.
Señor, si dentro de 2 semanas usted aún no ha sido contactado por algún abogado de la corte, necesito que se vuelva a meter aquí a esta corte para dejármelo saber por Zoom.
¿La misma información?
With the same information of Zoom, Your Honor.
Yes, so that
Sí,
we
señor.
can, get you an attorney appointed on the spot.
Sí, señor, con el mismo número con el que se conectó hoy. Y de esa forma, cuando usted se conecte y no, porque no lo han contactado, en ese mismo momento nosotros aquí le ponemos el abogado de una vez para que lo tenga.
Ok.
Ok. And Your Honor, on October 29 will be by Zoom.
Yes.
Ok. Señor, en el 29 de octubre, que va a ser su juicio, también va a ser por Zoom y también va a ser con esta misma ID. Para el juez Perkins is always, always this number, ¿ok? Siempre es este número.
Ok, pero ¿a qué horas?
El 29 de octubre, ya le dije a las 9 de la mañana,
Ok.
su juicio. ¿A what time? 9 a.m.
What I don't want to have happen, sir, is I don't want you to come in here on the 29th and say that you haven't spoken with the lawyer yet.
Señor, lo que yo no quiero que pase es que usted se presente el día 29 de octubre a las 9 de la mañana para su juicio a decirme que usted no ha hablado con ningún abogado. Por eso
Ok.
es que le digo que si en 2 semanas no lo llama un abogado, usted se conecta otra vez y me lo deje saber. ¿Entendió?
Ok.
Did you understand?
Gracias.
Yes, I understood. Thank you.
Okay, if you don't have any further questions, sir, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day.
Señor, si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, le deseo la mejor de las suertes, que tenga excelente día, se puede retirar.
Igualmente.
Same to you.
All right,
Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Artemis Owen Gray, case numbers SP 124-1180, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133-5995, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 154-8569, counts 1. Let me see what count 2. If count 2 is added to this. That's in default. We'll add that. It just went in default this month. SP count 2 as well on SP 154-8569. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Artemis Gray.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, Mr. Gray, it appears you're wasting the court's time.
I apologize. When you sent the court date out, I was through the moving process, and it got sent to my old address. The owner now came to my house and gave me the court date, and I realized that I missed it. I apologize.
We're gonna try it one more time. Next time, if you miss it again, I'm gonna put a cash bond on you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond unless he wants the offer today. The offer as it stands right now on the marijuana, too much marijuana. The driver's license suspended 12 hours, 36 hours of community service, and will dismiss upon completion. Dismissing the other ones now. Absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris if you want to have a discussion with her. Join the room, please.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's off the record with Ray and go back on the record with Daniel. Mr. Daniel, you want to take the deal?
The answer should be yes, Your Honor.
Then unmute yourself, Mr. Daniel.
Yes, sir.
All right, what I can do is I can give him another 6 hours for this old speeding ticket. I can do that.
I think that would be, yes.
Want to do that 6 hours for in lieu of fines and costs for that?
Yes.
That'll be a total of 24 hours of community service. Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Daniel? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Now you put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 10th, 2024 at around 3:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin Luther King Boulevard and Trumbull Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you make a proper left turn?
Yes.
Where the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
My license has been suspended for quite some time.
Why don't you go get a driver's license?
I am in the process of doing that. I just started working, and it's the finances part. So I should have the tickets paid off within the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Well, what I'm going to say to you, you may not have to pay these tickets off to get a license. I don't see anything down here that's preventing you from getting a license. I don't know what your driving record looks like in other jurisdictions. So I would suggest that you at least go to the Secretary of State and try to get a license. If they don't give you one, you ask them for a printout. They can tell you every jurisdiction that's affecting your license. All right?
Okay, I will do so.
find him guilty to the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. I'll find him responsible as charged to the improper left turn in lieu of fines and costs 6 hours of community service. I'll also allow you to do for SP 127-50511 in lieu of fines and costs 6 hours of community service for a total of 24 hours of community service. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Daniel?
Yes, I do.
And your number is 313-729-8144. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. I want you to call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set up those hours. I'm going to give you until September 4th, 2024 to complete the hours. That review will be at 8:25. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck on that driver's license and in life. Have a very good day, and you're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good one.
You as well. All right. Mr. Berry, Edwin Garcia.
Señor Berry, Edwin García. Señor
Mr.
García,
Garcia,
¿necesita intérprete? He needs interpreter, Your Honor?
I don't know. We have to
Okay.
find. Necesito interpreter, Mr. Garcia.
Señor García, necesita intérprete. Abra su micrófono. You have to open your mic.
Yes, sí
Sí.
necesito.
Sí, yes, I need.
This is the city of Detroit versus Edwin Javier Garcia Moran. Case number SP 1586943, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Edward Javier García Morán. Número de caso SP 158-69431 y 32. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Edwin García.
My name is Edwin García.
Edwin Javier García Morán.
Edwin Javier García Morán.
Ujú.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Edwin Garcia Moran, are you in the driver's seat of the vehicle?
Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la consulta previa al juicio. Señor Edwin Javier García Morán, ¿usted está en un vehículo sentado en el asiento del conductor?
Sí, se lo pedí prestado a mi compañero porque no puedo estar adentro en el trabajo porque hay mucho ruido.
Yes, I asked my co-worker to let me in his vehicle because I cannot be inside at my workplace because there is very noisy.
Okay. The offer today, Mr. Garcia, to resolve this is pleading to allowing and dismissing the other matter. That's 12 hours of community service. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points, and will dismiss the case upon completion of community service. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry.
Señor, el juez lo va a mandar para una sala de consulta privada junto con el señor Berry y conmigo para explicarle las condiciones que acaba de decir el juez.
Ok. ¿Me uno a la sala?
Y sí, por favor, únase a la sala, si es tan amable.
Ok.
All right, let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Let's go back.
He's
Let's
there.
go back.
Can I
He's
go?
there. Yes, you may. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Counsel, you're indicating that your client wants an appointed attorney, correct? In a bench trial.
That is correct, Your Honor. But I would also note to the court that he is agreeable to community service if in fact it came to that, but he does want his trial date with an appointed attorney.
All right, let us know about the community service if if it comes to some sort of guilty plea, Mr. Gray. What's the good phone number to reach you at? Oh, I see. This.
Do you need the number?
No, Ms. Harris wrote it in the chat.
Okay.
What I need you to do is I need you to answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney in 2 weeks' time, then give us a call back, reach back out to us so we can get one appointed to you on the spot.
Okay.
I don't want you to come back on the 29th of October saying that you haven't talked to an attorney, okay?
Okay.
Next court date is 29th of October. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too. Have a good day.
You as well. 29.
He was driving. I wasn't driving.
All right, somebody's not hung up, somebody's talking online. All right, Gardner. Gardner?
Yes,
Good morning to you, ma'am. I don't see you on the docket today.
good morning.
Oh, you're supposed to be here yesterday? You're a day late and $1 short, Miss Gardner.
Oh, wow.
City
I
of
apologize for that.
City of Detroit versus Aisha Gardner, case number SP 1573205, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Aisha Gardner.
Let's call the date and time. Yesterday was the date and time set for Ms. Gardner, and it was set for a pretrial. The offer was pleading to a 1 to 5. That's a 1 point, either 6 hours of community service or $125. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, have a conversation with her, let us know what you want to do.
All right, thank you.
AYESHA, and then Gardner is GARDINER. On the Detroit Detention Center, good morning to you.
I apologize, Judge. Can you hear us now?
Pardon me, yeah, we can hear you. Good morning to you. Detroit
Good morning,
Detention Center. Who's the, is this Nora Jahan Laskar? Good morning, ma'am. Did I get the pronunciation of your name correct? Nora Jahan.
Yes, everything is finished. I'm going to home. No one helped me call the taxi. I don't know how can I call taxi.
Do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
Do you need an interpreter?
No, I need can call taxi, but I don't know how can I call taxi.
I don't understand what she's saying.
I'm going to home, just say, okay, you're going to home, but I have no one. How can I go into home? Can you tell
Is she
me?
asking how can she go home?
Yeah.
Officer at the detention center, what's your name, please?
Judge Perkins, my name is Officer Jay Green at the Detroit Detention Center.
Okay, Mr. Green, is she asking how can she go home?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe there may be a language barrier. She may need an interpreter, Your Honor.
What language does she speak?
What language do you speak? Bengali.
Bengali?
Yes, sir.
Is she in here only for this fishing stuff?
That's it, Your Honor.
I can't believe she's locked up for taking too many fish and undersized fish.
We'll take care of you.
Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Versus Nora Jahan Laskar, case number N8-0056-222, N8-02-81422-1, SN-224293, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Say your name. Let's call today the date and time set for arraignment on the warrants, Counselor.
For purpose, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Her next pre-trial date will be October 7th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. $0 bond. So, Ms. Laskar?
Yes.
All right, you're gonna be released. And you gotta come back on October the 7th, okay? At 8:30.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm going to go. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Come back October 7th, okay?
Son, you guys help me. Okay. Okay, God bless you.
Well, Judge Perkins, thank you so much for doing this staff.
Thank you so much, Mr. Green. Take it easy. Have a good day. Be safe.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right, who are we ready on?
Mr. Garcia, Your Honor.
Señor García, por favor, abra su micrófono y ponga su video.
All right, Mr. Garcia, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Señor García, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Señor Henry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, as it turns out, my client has a valid international license, X-rated expiration date in 27, and it's issued by Honduras.
I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Is that treaty countries where they don't need any proof of citizenship?
That's my understanding.
It is. All right, what about insurance?
He also has valid insurance, Your Honor.
Dismiss the case, providing valid documentation.
Él tiene licencia internacional de Honduras que está en el tratado y también tiene pruebas de seguro vehicular. Por lo tanto, voy a desestimar el caso por haber presentado documentación válida.
Have a good day, Mr. Garcia.
Que tenga buen día, señor García.
Ok, muchas gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you very much. So kind of you. Have a good day.
This is the city of Detroit versus Candace Deneen Gibson. Case numbers.
I'll be here for that one, okay? Yeah, thank you.
Somebody's interrupting, Miss Medina. It's the city of Detroit versus Candace Deneen Gibson. Case number SP 1337842, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1583508, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Candace Deneen Gibson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Please get an updated offer, and that updated offer is a 21 to 25 mile an hour over. Ms. Gibson, you have an absolute right to a trial. As it stands right now, the offer is going to be pleading to allowing 12 hours of community service. And we'll see if that changes. If that civil infraction is added, then there'll be an additional 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer and have a conversation with you. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's go back on the record. Let's go off the record with that. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner.
Yes.
Ms. Gardner, did I get the pronunciation correct that time?
Yes, it's Gardner.
It's Gardner, okay. Am I understanding you want to take responsibility for this unsafe manner ticket?
I have a question. If I do the community service, then does that eliminate the point?
No. The points will only be eliminated if you got a blocking traffic, or if the city were willing to agree to resolve with a blocking traffic, it would be no abstraction, therefore no points. Or if they went down to a limited access 1 to 5. What does your driving record look like, Mr. Gardner?
I don't have any tickets or anything on my license. I haven't been pulled over.
Please.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to run your driver's license.
Okay.
Let's go off the record. Miss Medina, what is your client's name, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have two clients up today. Mr. Rosendo Padilla Castillejo and Mr. Plinillo Lopez Mendez.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner, Ms. Mason. Ms. Gardner has an unblemished record.
Record, Your Honor. Diachiku Mason, Ms. Gardner. I was in the other courtroom. Sorry.
Ms. Gardner has an unsafe manner and no insurance. She's willing to do community service, 6 hours to clear it up. You offered her
1 to 5 limited access.
Ms. Mason, can we speak in the breakout room?
Oh, give her an impeding then if she's blemished. If she's unblemished.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Blocking traffic is going to be the new offer. Doesn't abstract 6 hours of community service, Ms. Gardner. And for you, since you have an unblemished record and you are I can't really see your face. Since you have an unblemished record, we'll either let you pay the $175 or do the community service.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Ms. Gardner?
Okay, did that work a little bit better? I don't know.
Yeah, I can see a little bit better. Go ahead. Blocking $175 for 6 hours of community service. What would you like to do?
6 hours community service, please.
6 hours community service. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Need a good phone number for you. I'm finding you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, Ms. Gardner. Dismissing the other. I need a good phone number from you, please.
Okay, 248-275-4342.
Mr. Harris, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Ms. Gardner?
She does not. She had indicated she wanted to pay. She just made the decision to do community service.
I figured that. All right, Mr. Gardner, you have an ink pen?
Yes.
Call Mr. Phillips up this afternoon and set those hours up. The number is 313-879-2155 to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Thank you, will do.
It's nothing further. Have a very good day and come back. Well, you don't necessarily need to come back if they're complete. I'm going to give you until September 4th to complete those hours. And if they're complete, you're on the list. We'll close the matter out, all right?
All righty. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys.
Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Mr. Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good to see you.
Always good to see you.
Thank you.
Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not to cause confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Medina, for the Mr. Padilla Castellano, is he going to go to his alphabet, Judge?
Señora Medina, para el caso del Padilla Castillo, ¿él va a ir al juez que le tocaría?
That's okay. All right, let's go ahead with the next person on the list. That gets me down to Marcos Mahaya.
Vamos para el próximo caso que viene en la lista, el señor Marcos Mejía.
Yeah.
Necesito
Señor asistente intérprete.
No.
No, he doesn't.
City of Detroit versus Marcos Mejia, case number SB 123-18591. Appear for the record, please. Is this Ms. Harris? Yes.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Marcos Mejia.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter between your client's behalf, give the client a $0 bond. Mr. Mejia has paid 2 related civil infractions. He's paid actually 4 civil infractions, 2 related to this case. 722, he finished paying 2 of them, 3 of them, 730, he just finished paying the other. We're going to dismiss the case, Mr. Mejia. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Warrant for you.
Thank you.
Dietrich. Good morning to you, sir. You have to unmute yourself. What's your name, sir? Dietrich. All right, you got it. Your name, sir, in the braids, Dietrich, right there, with the white T-shirt on. Dietrich. You're there. You got to speak up. All right, his audio is not working, so we're going to have to move on. Rains, you got to get something going on with your audio, sir. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Kareem Abdul Rains. Case number SP 1582433, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Rains, please state your name for the record.
Rains, he's having audio issues too.
It appears he's on 2 devices, so he may need to press *6 to unmute.
He needs to press *6 to unmute. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Rains. *6 to unmute yourself. Is that Rains? No, never press *6. Dietrich, did you ever get unmuted?
Oh, yes, sir.
Who is that, Rains?
No, this is Dietrich. Yeah.
All right, let's pass Rains. Oh, Dietrich Gay. Okay, very well. That's what I was trying to figure out what your last name was. Are you on the phone too?
Yes, on the phone.
City of Detroit versus Dietrich DeMonte Gay, case number SP 104-7601, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 106-0295, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 111-0109, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 113-3805, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1202739, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1202791, It just keeps going on and on. 19-409-623, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19-409-6261. 19-458-153, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19-460-890, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3. 19-485-490, counts 1, 2, and 3. And just for good measure, 20-4819-411. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, please state your name for the record.
Dietrich Gay.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Ms. Harris, I'm just gonna say it. Ms. Harris felt like she grabbed the short straw on this one, Mr. Gay. That's how she sounded. All right, enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna let you figure this out, Ms. Harris.
If it's correct with the 29 matters that are on the docket, it appears there's 10 pleas of improper plate and dismissal of 19, if I'm reading that right.
Let's see. He owes no proof of insurance 1, 2 times. Okay, so I counted 29 into the record. There's 29 on the docket. You have the offer. He owes the 2 reinstatement, the 240s on the no insurance. That would probably go a long way for him to get a license. But if I was a betting man, I would bet that Mr. Gay doesn't just have problems in the city of Detroit. I don't know that, but I would. Let me ask you. Mr. Gay, do you have other driving issues in other jurisdictions?
No. Just in Wayne County.
Wayne County, where about Wayne County?
I think all Detroit.
All Detroit. So he stays in the city of Detroit. You don't go across 8 Mile or any of those other places when you're driving, or you put your 10-2 on the wheel then, huh?
Yeah, it's all been in Detroit.
All right. Join the breakout room. We'll speak with Ms. Harris, see if she can help you. I'm sure she can. And let us know what you want to do when you come out. Are you on a telephone? 313-240-1518?
Yes, sir.
I'll join the room. He's in there. I'm gonna put his picture in there too. All right. Let's pass the matter. Miss Medina.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Does Mr. Padilla want to go to his alphabet judge?
Yes, that would be great, Your Honor. I wasn't sure if they were already there or not, but both of my clients, if they're not in your alphabet, Lopez, Mendez, and Padilla Castillejo would want their alphabet judge.
Well, Mr. Lopez Mendez is with his alphabet judge. Mr. Padilla,
Okay.
can we alphabet judge for in the pretrial day? So, This is the city of Detroit, and he needs an interpreter, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosando Padilla Castillo.
Castillejo.
Castillejo, okay. Very, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Pronunciation. Case number SP 1580380, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1580382, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 15796691. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Rosando Padilla Castillejo. Números de caso SP1580380, cargos 1, 2 y 3. SP1580382, 1 y 2. Y SP1579691. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Padilla Castillejo. Mr. Padilla Castillejo is present at my office, Your Honor, with my assistant. I would ask to waive his presence for today's purposes of just getting another date in his alphabet judge.
Habla Crystal Marie Medina, número de 77211. Y el señor Padilla Castillejo está aquí en mi oficina conmigo. Le pedimos a usted que usted excuse la presencia del señor.
I'll waive the presence. The next court date is with Ruth Garrett at August the 20th, 2024 at 8:35, and that's a pre-trial.
Muy bien, excuso que él tenga que hablar. La próxima fecha es con la juez Garrett. Va a ser el 20 de agosto a las 8:25.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate it. Y gracias, Evelyn. Le agradezco mucho.
De nada. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lopez Mendez, Lopez Mendez. Case number SP 1566783, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance in the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Plinio López Méndez, números de caso SP1566783, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Mendez, similarly, he is present at my office with my assistant. I am uncertain as to how we're proceeding today. I need a discovery in this matter, Your Honor, if at all possible.
Sí, soy Crystal Marie Medina, representando al señor López Méndez, quien está aquí en mi oficina con mi asistente y estoy esperando recibir las pruebas recíprocas.
I will proceed. I set this matter for a trial on October 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m. And you, Miss, I'll let you speak with Miss Mason in a breakout room so that you can discuss the matter of discovery with her. I'll waive
Thank
the
you, Your
client.
Honor. Or alternatively, if it's okay for this court, I can just email Ms. Mason this afternoon with the case information and that relevant date. I can do that.
Vamos a fijar, esa es la fecha para el juicio, que es el 29 de octubre del 2024 a las 9 de la mañana. La voy a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con la señora Chico Mason, para que puedan hablar acerca de las pruebas recíprocas que le faltan a usted.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.
Have a better one.
Bye.
Todos pasen buen día.
Ms. Mason, Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is inclined to accept the plea offer. And I may have miscounted. It may be 13 improper pleas. He's willing to do that. He's just wondering if the court would consider granting credit for time served. He does have his proof of incarceration paperwork. He was incarcerated from March 25th, 2022 until April of this year.
So he wants to just walk.
No, I don't. I've been sending y'all.
Okay. So he doesn't want to walk, Ms. Harris.
Wait. So I also wanted to add to let you know, he did indicate that while he was there, he was attempting to do pleas by mail, but he was not getting any response.
I know. So he just wants to walk. Right, Ms. Harris? He said no. He doesn't want to walk, so let's get the
I'm not trying to walk free. I'm trying to just take care of this stuff so I can be in a good shape in my life. That's all. I ain't trying
to so we can let you take care of it. The question is whether we let you take care of it through some community service, which I always think is beneficial for the community and the individual that's doing it, or we could just let you walk because you've already done time. But you said you didn't just want to walk.
I want. You made it seem like I'm just trying to just walk free and not. You know what I'm saying?
That's how you took it.
No, I ain't how I take it. I'll take that back. Yeah, I want to walk free because I did do time for a lot of time for no reason.
I was just considering James.
Fish. Juvenile? No. What does this mean? Shall
119
hold the defendant defendant above me in this care custody until he responds. Okay, that's right. Sure. All right, I'm just letting this lady out of jail for fishing. Sign them all. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Gay. All right, raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. What were you locked up for? What were you locked up for?
What, just previously?
How many times you been locked up?
I've been honestly been locked up quite a few times.
All right, what's the previous time you were locked up?
it was all kind of stuff, kidnapping, rape, all type of stuff. But of course, they found me not guilty on all that stuff.
When does it end?
When does what end? I've been stopped. I ain't been getting in trouble in 7, 8 years. This stuff that happened in 22 was somebody accused me of some stuff that I didn't do.
No, it's just the pages and pages of allegations. I don't know what the outcome of them were, but there's just pages and pages of stuff. And how old are you?
I'm 31.
All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Harris, what do we do about all of these tickets? Can we just stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the plea?
I think we could, or I could just Wadir and ask Mr. Gay on at least 12 different occasions were you driving an uninsured vehicle or without proper registration?
Mr. Gay?
Yes, I was.
He don't want to admit to nothing, does he?
I do. I thought she was talking to you, honestly.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, on those occasions, in the city of Detroit, all this took place in the city of Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Then we will find him guilty as charged to the improper plates that are listed on the file. I'll number them out. You're still going to owe money that are on the civil infractions that weren't paid. This is only covering the misdemeanors. Just to make sure you know that. And on cases that you had entered into agreements before in the past, this is not going to cover that either, all right?
All right.
find them guilty of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 counts of improper plates. I'm gonna sentence him to 30 days, Wayne County Jail, with 30 days time served. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, and you're gonna pay all the reinstatement fees. I can't do anything about the civil infractions. I can't sentence you to any jail time on a civil infraction, so you're gonna have to pay those. I can't allow you to do community service. But some of this, so that's going to be the sentence of the court. All right. We're going to get you. You'll look on the system and you can get an updated dollar amount. You just make sure I've done everything that I can do, and I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good day, and I truly hope that we, instead of seeing each other in this capacity, we see each other at the Meijer at the grocery store or something, all right? All right, Mr. Gay, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. That'll conclude it.
Thanks.
All right. All right. Mr. Raines, are you there? Did you ever get unmuted? All right, he hasn't been unmuted yet. Raines.
If I may, Your Honor, Mr. Raines, you may want to disconnect your audio and rejoin using Wi-Fi or cellular.
Marcos Nelson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And what brings you here?
Your Honor, I had a court date for the 1st of this month, and I missed it. I thought it was the 17th, so I was able to get this date rescheduled for the 31st.
Spell your name.
First name is Marcos. My last name is hyphenated. It's LEMONS hyphen Nelson, NELSON.
Last name of first page.
City of Detroit versus Marcos Lemons Nelson. Case number SP 122768831, SP 1263470, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1510564, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1533922. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Marcos Lemons Nelson.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. The moving violations just went into default. Driving on cell phone and 11 to 15 over. Driving on cell phone, they all went into default 7-1. If the city does not have any objection, I'll willingly set those aside. SP1505643, SP153392551. Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, get him an updated offer, have absolute right to a trial. Let you speak to Ms. Mason, Ms. Harris, breakout. Let's pass the matter.
Could the court tell me what the matters are that are not on the docket?
Drive on cell phone 11 to 15 over.
Thank you.
All right, well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Candace Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we asked the court to check the status of her driver's license.
I only need you to be quiet real quick, baby.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'll have you check in, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I checked you in. She has a valid, she has a valid license, restricted license.
Your Honor, the updated offer is a reduction of the 21 to 25 miles over to 11-15 over. And my client would avail herself of that offer.
And dismissing everything else?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms.
Yes.
Gibson? Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 11 to 15 over. That's a 1 point reduction. I think you get up to 2 points erased if you take a class. $150 or 6 hours of community service. What would you like to do?
I do $150.
$150. When can you pay it?
I can try to get down there today to pay it. Actually, I can pay it off my card. If I can pay it online, I can go do it now.
You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. It'll go through instantly. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm gonna give you till Friday to figure it out. All right, Ms. Gibson?
Okay, I'll actually be down there today to pay it.
All right, have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Mr. Raines, are you there now?
Yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Kareem Abdul Raines, case number SP1582433, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Raines.
Kareem A. Raines.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. It's just pleading to 2. You know, I'll give you the allowing, and in the park after dark, I'm just gonna 12 hours of community service will satisfy and dismiss everything and in the court size. You have absolute right to a trial, Mr. Raines. Speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please, Mr. Berry. Who's on the phone at 947-275-7415? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
La persona que está en el teléfono 947-2757-417, por favor, apriete asterisco 69 para abrir su micrófono, por favor.
Back on the record with Mr. Raines. Mr. Raines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, first and foremost, Mr. Raines has a license. We'd ask otherwise avail himself of the offer.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go back on the record with Mr. Raines. Raise your right hand. Do that again. She didn't get it. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 21st, 2024 at 10:31. You just missed it. PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and 24th Street. You had an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time.
Yes.
What is that area over there?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
What is that? What is in that area over there?
It's a park, like a parking area by the bridge. Yeah.
City Park?
Yes.
All right. He said he was there at 10:31. Park closed at 10 o'clock. Find him guilty as charged. 12 hours of community service at Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That's a pretty nice park, huh?
Yeah. So I used to stay up the street from there, so it changed. It wasn't like it is now. So yeah.
If you want to hang out all the night, how do you stay? You stay on Pelkey now, don't you?
Yeah. Yep.
You moved all the way on the other side of town.
Yeah, I'm from that side originally. So.
But they ran you out of Southwest?
No, I just bought a house over there, a HUD house.
Okay.
No, I love Southwest.
I bet you do. I hear a lot about that park. I need to go check it out. I've never been over there, but I won't stay.
Yeah, nice.
I won't stay after 10 o'clock though.
I didn't know they changed the rules on that one.
No, they never changed the rules. I think that's been a long standing rule.
Good.
You just didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, right.
Is your phone number, is the best number to reach you at 810-772-9657?
Yes.
Did you get the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, I did.
You probably go to Clark Park. I don't know, maybe. Have you ever been to Clark Park?
Yes, I have.
It's a nice park too, isn't it?
Exactly.
All right, so call Mr. Phillips this afternoon at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You have their number?
Yes. Yep, I got the number.
And give them a call. I'm gonna give you until September the 4th, 2024 to complete the hours. At 8:25 is your next date. If there's nothing further, Mr. Raines, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, you as well, Judge.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Darius Leonard Griffin. Case number SP 1565338, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Darius Leonard Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
in or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Let's, you need to get an updated offer because the expired plate is not on here. That offer right now is allowing 12 hours of community service. Dismiss upon completion. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Mr. Griffin?
Okay.
That off docket matter is expired plates?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Lemons Nelson. Mr. Lemons Nelson, giving you an opportunity to speak to Mrs. Harris. Ms. Harris, what does Mr. Lemons Nelson want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Lamont Nelson, he did show me his insurance, which expires 10/29 of 24. But our other concern is he did have a valid license. We would need an adjournment because I think there was a suspension that may have just been placed. So if the court would be inclined to allow him to come back for a pretrial, maybe August 21st, that would help him. Our next question.
August 21st.
Because the suspension ends August 18th.
Oh,
but if he's inclined to plea, he could come back and do community service if necessary. The next question we have for the court is, the court indicated that there were 2 matters that were in default. If we pull those out of default and do anything with them, would that potentially harm the status of his license?
No, because I believe the default situation here, these are just recently in default. So essentially on his license, he has the driving on cell phone and 11 to 15 over the 3 points.
When you say they just recently went into default, is it possible to tell us the date? Because that may be, I don't know if that's why his license is now suspended.
July the 1st. I think I remember. Let me make sure that I'm correct. July the 1st. July the 1st on the speeding and July the 1st on the driving on cell phone.
And he indicates that the suspension was effective July 18th.
Could be. He
So I
knows a
don't know.
lot. He's Secretary of State.
So if we come back on the 21st, it would be appreciated.
July, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lemons Nelson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Come back on August 21st, 2024. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Christian Zamora, case number SP 159-60941. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Cristian Zamora. Número de caso SP 15960941. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Christian Zamora.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Zamora, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Your Honor, I don't think Mr. Zamora needs an interpreter. May I ask?
Ma'am.
Señor Zamora, ¿necesita usted intérprete?
No.
Ok, gracias, señor.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Zamora. In or not guilty plea on your behalf, give a $0 bond. Insurance. You have valid insurance?
No, at the moment, I'm not driving the truck right now.
12 hours community service, dismiss upon completion, pleads the admitted count of improper plate. That will be the resolution. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her, okay?
Okay.
And you have an absolute right to a trial. iPhone.
Yes, how you doing?
How are you? What's your name, ma'am?
Sierra Gray.
Sierra Gray, why are you so late?
Honestly, I'm at work and I just looked at the time and I was like, oh my God, I'm late for court. But I did take care of community service though.
I don't see Miss Gray on the docket. Spell your name. Last name is Gray.
Yes.
And the first name?
Sierra K-I-A-G-R-A. I mean, yeah, K-I-A-R-A. I'm sorry.
T-I-K-I-A?
R-A.
K-R-A?
K-I-A-R-A. Yeah, I had came to court on the 17th, but you wasn't there, and she had scheduled me to come back on the 31st.
How many hours of community service did you do?
I was do the 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah.
Who'd you do them with?
At the Southwest with James.
Okay. She completed them, Mr. She completed them, Mr. Perry. Mr. Phillips.
Yes, she did, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gray, thank you for the community service. We're gonna close out your case, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Zamora. Mr. Zamora, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Zamora is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
All right, want to raise your right hand? That's what you want to do, Mr. Zamora? Right hand. To swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And let's draw your attention back to July the 7th, 2024 at 12:14 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Dixon, Waterman Street. Did you have an occasion on the day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
What was that, Your Honor? Sorry.
On July 7th, 2024 at 12:14 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Dixon, Waterman Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah.
Was it yours?
Yeah. Yes, it was.
The officer asked you to produce. Why don't you have insurance? Does the vehicle still operate?
Yeah, but at the moment I don't drive it as it does cost a lot to fill it up, and insurance for me is really expensive. And I had gotten a job after a while, so I really wasn't driving until I got a job.
Are you driving? Are you going to be driving this car in the future?
Not at the moment. Right now I'm getting rides to save on gas and money to work.
I was going to give you an opportunity to get some insurance, but if you're not going to be driving, then because it's only one count of no insurance misdemeanor. All right. You couldn't produce the insurance that day, is that correct?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Wait, sorry, what was that again? My bad, on there.
Why couldn't you? The officer asked you to produce valid insurance, didn't he?
Oh yeah, he did.
And you couldn't produce it, could you?
No, I couldn't.
Why couldn't you produce it?
I didn't have insurance at the time.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That's a 0-point offense. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Once he completes 12 hours of community service, we'll dismiss the matter. Is your phone number 313-784-5079?
Yes, it is.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, I do.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. Set the hours up. I'm going to give you until September the 4th to complete the hours at 8:25. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir, and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris, let's call the City of Detroit versus Oscar Dwayne Minifield. Case numbers SP 5884521. SP 599590, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1599604. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Minifield, please state your name for the record.
Oscar Dwayne Benefield.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. There's one case on here that he has, it's not in our court. Mr. Minifield, you want to do some community service to clear this stuff up?
Yes, sir.
But you also can go to your alphabet judge. Since he has indicated that he wants to do community service, and they're not in default yet, let's call SP 1588841, counts 1 and counts 2 in the record as well. So, they're not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The 3 that are on the docket, you see those. And then there's another 3 of the similar type. No license, license improper, no insurance, civil, and 11 to 15 over. Give Mr. Minifield an updated offer. He has an absolute right to a trial. And then we'll determine how much community service it'll call for with that updated offer. All right, Ms. Harris?
Okay.
Join the breakout room, have a conversation with Ms. Harris. Pass the matter.
Excuse me, sir. Could y'all press the breakout room went away? Can y'all bring it back, please?
You go ahead and go in the breakout room.
Where is it at?
Ms. Mason. Ms. Mason, go in breakout room.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Minifield got and kicked himself off.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yeah, hold on a second. Mr. Barry's in there talking to the lawyer on you. Run his driver's license, please. The person at 947-275-7417, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? (947-275-7417). Press *6 to unmute yourself.
La persona con el teléfono 947-275-7417, por favor apriete el asterisco y el número 6 para que se pueda oír.
Very good driving record, Mr. Griffin. Oh, keep it that way. I'm gonna put the person out on the, and then maybe they can come back in.
Your Honor, would you able to run my driver's license?
Yeah, I said you got a very good one. He just wanted to hear that again. He just wanted to hear that.
No, I thought I heard you say something, but I didn't think you said it was me. I was just making sure. So I have that, and I don't got no insurance. So
All right, hold on. Let your attorney speak for you. He just wanted to hear that again. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna say it one more time out loud so everybody can hear on Zoom and everything. Mr. Griffin has a very good unblemished driving record. You hear that, Mr. Griffin?
yes, sir.
Beautiful. Well, happy to hear it.
You say it one more time, Mr. Griffin?
No, I'm good.
Could I have Mr. Griffin back in the breakout room, please?
All right.
Rejoin the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, Mr. Griffin.
All right.
He's got an unblemished driving record.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, on the telephone at 947-275-4717. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
La persona con el número 947-275-7417. ¿Cuál es su nombre, por favor?
They're trying to speak. They were. You have to speak up.
Hable a voz alta.
We can't hear you.
No se oye.
We're not going to be able to help you if we can't hear you. I see you're trying to speak, but it's not coming through.
no lo podemos ayudar si no lo podemos escuchar. Veo que usted está tratando, pero no se ha conectado bien.
Here, I'm gonna call the number.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to call you on the phone.
Nosotros vamos a tratar de llamarlo por su teléfono.
Hello? Mr. Gibson, good morning to you. How you doing, sir? I'm all right. I don't know why you're not being able to speak. You're Samuel McKinley Gibson? Yes, sir. Can you zoom in?
Miss Mason?
I can hear you.
And 4? Okay.
Why can't we? Oh, look at all this stuff. I don't know why we can't hear you on Zoom. Let's try it again. I'm gonna put you out of the Zoom room, dial back in again, please, and then we'll see what happens, all right? If you can't get through, then you're gonna have to come in. You can come in tomorrow. It's not gonna be about anything about the cases. It's just gonna be about, go ahead. All right, come on in tomorrow then. Or when can you come in? I want to try to get you today. You can try to zoom back in and see if it works. All right, because I see that you're trying to speak. The little microphone is jumping, but we're not hearing anything from you. So I'm gonna put you out of the Zoom room. Try to zoom back in. All right. We ready on Minifield?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Minifield. Mr. Minifield, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting permission for Mr. Minifield to pay his reinstatement fees up front, and we're asking for a pretrial date.
He doesn't owe any reinstatement fees up front. He owes a old $240 plus a old $220. 205, he paid $20 on it, and a 150, and a 175, 175, 150, 240, 205, of which the 240 is the one that's really preventing him from getting the license. That's what they call everything that you left in your wake, Mr. Minifield. I'll let him pay and come back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What's he want to do?
I want to try to pay him off, sir.
So when are you gonna do it?
We just went back to work. You know, all the automotives was off work for 2 weeks. I just went back with this first check. I got to take care of my rent, and then all of August, I got 5 checks in August, and I'll make sure a portion of that goes to every last one of them reinstatements.
Where do you work?
I work at Hearns and Taylor.
What is that?
It's a Ford Motor company. I've been there 3 years. It's based out of Canada, but it's a Ford company.
And you're getting UAW?
No, sir, I'm not. They just gave it to the drivers, and they trying to work his way through us now.
Hopefully you get that.
Thank you.
if you want it.
Yes.
All right. Minifield. I worked with Mr. Menifee at Ford for 20 some odd years before he retired. You say 5
Fred
checks.
Minifield?
No, it's Menifee. It's not Menifee.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, we all spell our names different though.
Could be related to him still?
Yes, sir. We spell our last names different.
From Alabama?
Yep.
Selma?
Yep.
That's him.
It could be him.
Mr. Menifee was mean too.
It probably was him because they all was mean, including my daddy.
I'm gonna ask Robert Smiley about that. What's your dad's name?
Oscar Minifield.
I'm gonna find out. Come back August the 28th. The
Yes,
first
sir.
one, if I were you, I would pay that $240. Once you pay that $240,
okay.
I would go straight to the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours.
Yes, sir.
$240 on that no insurance, plus you're gonna owe some other stuff. Don't pay the stuff that we have now, the no proof of insurances or the speeding ticket or anything. Pay the old stuff. The stuff that we called into the case today, don't pay those. That's what you're gonna get the offer on once you come back. It's an old no insurance proof 240, which is blocking your license. Come back on August 28th. Let's see where you are then. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin with the unblemished license. What's he want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Yes.
I'm going to dismiss count 3 of that ticket. He's got a valid driver's license. And I'm going to give you a trial for the other 2 counts. It's going to be, let's just make it October 29th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay. 29. You said what time?
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, keep that license clean, all right?
I will. Thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
I'm back online, Mr. Gibson.
That's Mr. Gibson there.
Yes, sir.
He's trying to get a good license. City of Detroit versus Samuel McKinley Gibson, case number SP 1306971, SP 1318214, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1412653. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gibson.
My name is Samuel McKinley Gibson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Your client, too, amongst other things, he owes the $240. He paid a reinstatement fee. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, I paid $45 on it, and I owe the remaining balance.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Run his driver's license, please.
Are you still with me, Your Honor?
I'm still with you. You still with us?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. He's got a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry, get him an updated offer.
Can you say that again?
I asked Mr. Berry to get you an updated offer.
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
He's got a difficult hearing problem, Mr. Berry. So you have to speak up. Can you hear me now, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, I can hear you. Are you saying my stuff is clear or not?
No. I'm saying that Mr. Berry needs to get you an updated offer. He owes for old stuff, he owes 120 for two equipment violations, 130 for a failure to stop, and 195 for a no proof of insurance. Those are matters that are already in default.
Well, on my sheet, they said I got all that cleared.
No, you don't.
Oh my. Can I bring that sheet in tomorrow?
It won't, it's not gonna do any good. Who said that you got all that clear?
It's on a court document. I'm looking at it.
All right, well, you can bring it in if you want to. I think it's gonna be a waste of time.
So what do I need to pay then?
I just told you the money you need to pay for the old stuff that's in default, and then you gotta get an updated offer for the new stuff. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry, and he's gonna discuss it with you, and you let us know what you wanna do when you come up. You have an absolute right.
I don't need to do all that.
Yes, you do.
Because I got a total of 860.
Mr. Berry, and speak to Mr. Gibson. You got misdemeanors that need to be adjudicated, sir. So the total is gonna go up more than likely. Unless you have some documentation to prove otherwise. He does have a valid driver's license. Join the room. Speak to him. You wanna go in there too, Ms. Harris?
I can if needed.
I need you.
All right, join the room. Got two lawyers. Okay, good enough. Yes, he's gonna need some persuasion. You already see that, don't you? He got that driver's license and he thinks that he just because he got the driver's license, he doesn't have anything else. He's in his mind, it's over.
He was here yesterday. Asia for that. We had done at 12 o'clock. What time was it?
It was kind of late now. Y'all was still saying like, break, you know, he did. I didn't expect you to still be.
You got done at 12 o'clock on Friday.
Oh, so then.
That's when I signed out for lunch. Yeah. It's 12.
Start here on the 10. Thank you.
DeAndre, yeah, you take this and
Oh.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Maybe,
Rule
okay.
state.
Ms. Villarule and Ms. Hernandez, thank you so much. It's always great seeing you. And you are both excused if you choose.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
You
Bye,
too,
Mr.
Your Honor,
Phillips.
and thank you for the card.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks.
It's like another Greeks. Roger Lewis. Motion to dismiss. Time. I was very. Right. Did Mr. Phillips, how's it going? Pretty good. Pretty good. Ms. Quintero, I saw Director Jones the other day. Okay. First, I saw her at a funeral. Oh, not a nice place to meet up. No, this one wasn't. It was a very young lady, unfortunately. Oh yeah. It's not. I know which one, panel you're talking about, it's a good friend of mine too. Judgette was an idea. Unfortunately, it's sad. Yeah. My wife, she passed with the same, condition. She did? Yes. How long ago? 6 years ago. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah.
Oh, you know, Spirit is at first class. I don't know. Probably was just calling it big first class. Morning. Okay, back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, you had a nice long conversation with two of our attorneys. What was the outcome?
I'm a plead guilty. Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Gibson will enter a plea pursuant to the offer, 2 counts of improper plates.
Are you able to do community service, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, I have deficiencies, but I could do it depending on what type of community service you give me, sir.
Are you able to get over to Southwest Detroit?
I could call them and see what they're talking about. I live on West Warren in the Boulevard.
West Warren, that's not too far from Southwest.
Yeah, where, excuse me if you don't mind me asking, where's the place at?
It's on Lawndale Street. It's kind of deep in Southwest, but they'll work with you over there. Mr. Phillips is on the line now.
Yeah, we did it.
And I'll allow them to clear up some of this other stuff with community service as well, the money that's owed.
Thank you, Your Honor. He will appreciate that.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
I'm just making sure I get this all right.
May I ask you a question, Your Honor?
You may.
So once I finish what I'm doing with you, I'll call that number to the community service and set that up, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so glad to be getting this done.
I'm sure. Congratulations on getting a driver's license as well.
Thank you. I don't have a car to drive, so I just my license.
You know, say you got a license, so when you get that brand new Cadillac, you don't have to look over your shoulder.
I had one of them. I don't want one of them no more. They're too expensive.
That is a rich man's car, isn't it?
Man, shoot, them cars cost $1, more than $1 to fix.
It's a Cadillac.
Yeah. They worse than a Benz.
You have one of those too?
No, I'm just saying they worse than a Benz. No, I ain't never had one of them.
All right, let's see here. Let me do this. Let's draw your attention. Back to December the 7th, 2022 at around 12:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and McGraw. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid registration for that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Didn't have it.
Very well. Find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate, 12 hours of community service dismissed upon completion. Let me draw your attention back to February the 23rd, 2022, around 12:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of East Lafayette and Grand Boulevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operate a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce, was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
It was improper.
How were they improper?
That's what he said.
Now, how do you know?
I don't know per se, but he said it was improper. That's why he stopped me.
Was it your car?
Yes, it was my car.
So how don't you know how the plates are, whether the plates are good or not?
I don't know, sir. That was so long ago, I can't answer that question.
Oh. Okay. Well,
That was,
are you contesting the fact that he was right, he was wrong, and and the plates were not proper?
Am I doing what? I didn't hear that.
Are you contesting the fact that the plates were, that he's wrong and the plates were valid?
I don't know. He said it was improper, and I took his word for that.
Well, I'm asking you, I don't see how you, first of all, see how you're driving the car, because you seem to recollect the event. I don't see how you're driving the car and not knowing whether you have valid plates or not.
Your Honor, was it a matter of he didn't have insurance at the time?
Well, let's see. This was the improper plate. This was the ass charge. Let's see what the other count says.
Your Honor,
Yep.
man,
It's registration. You may.
I don't, what I'm reading on my paper, I don't even understand it. So I could be playing to something that's not right. I need to be there in person so I can show you the sheet. I don't understand this stuff. I don't understand none of it.
You spent all that time in the breakout room with the lawyer, and now you're saying you don't understand?
No, see, the lawyers, they broke down everything efficient, but I just don't understand it.
What don't you understand?
I didn't finish high school, so I'm not illiterate, but I don't understand it.
If I may, Your Honor, I think one of the concerns is, I believe he has a printout from the court and it shows $50 next to some of the charges. Is that what the issue was, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, ma'am.
And I did attempt to explain what that was, but maybe he needs to hear it from the court. Sorry.
Come in tomorrow. You want to come in tomorrow?
I have no problem with that.
Come in tomorrow at 8:30.
Who room do I go to?
434.
Is that upstairs or down?
On the 4th floor upstairs.
For what now?
434. Write it down.
Okay. And Soon as I get out the bank, I'll be up there, okay?
Bring some money with you.
I don't know. Well, what I get, man, I'm on disability. That's just enough to pay my housing costs.
They'll take whatever you got. Come on in. What time? So are you telling me what time you're gonna come, or do I tell you? Let's see how this works.
You telling me.
But you just told me that once you get from the bank.
Oh.
So it sounded like you were telling me.
Well, I won't have no money to get on the bus until I go to the bank.
All right. What time are you gonna get here, Mr.? So tell me what time you're gonna get here, Mr. Gibson.
I should be there before 11 o'clock.
Oh, we might be gone by then.
That's how those buses run. I mean, I get up at 9 and go there and take care of my business.
No. You're gonna have to get up earlier than 9. You need to be at the door. You need to be at the door of the bank at 9.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to get up before 9.
Well, I'll be on the 8 o'clock bus to the bank and get there, take care of that, and then I can come to you.
Okay, now. We'll see you tomorrow,
You said,
Mr. Gibson.
What time do you guys leave?
I don't know. We're gonna be here.
Okay.
But get here before 11 o'clock.
Sir, I'm gonna get there as quick as I can. That's my word. And thank you, and the 2 attorneys, thank you. Y'all really helped me.
You're
Y'all
welcome.
have a blessed day.
You have a better one. See you tomorrow morning.
All right, thank you, sir. Bye.
All right. That will seem to conclude the rest of the day.